You won't believe this recipe. With just 3 ingredients, I made something delicious. Start by grating 300 grams of mozzarella cheese. To do so, use the large holes in the grater, just like this. Next, transfer all this cheese to a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 whole egg, and mix all the ingredients very well until combined. This is the right consistency. Now, shape this dough into a ball. Transfer it to a cutting board. And shape it into a rectangle. Next, cut it into thin strips, then into cubes. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Next, get one of these cubes and shape it into a ball, just like this. Repeat this process until you've used up all the dough. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Set these balls aside. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 liter of vegetable oil. And once this oil is hot enough, add the dough balls we made and fry them until golden brown. This is the right point. Transfer these fried balls to a plate lined with paper towels to soak up the excess fat. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.